Hey birdies, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Kemari reaction. So this is another reaction video to the group JO1, and this is a performance video to the song Freedom. I like this group and I'm always interested in to see what this group is going to give me. I really do. Come on. Come on, let the music flow. What's that? Oh. Oh, I like that footwork. Freedom. Ah. Oh, I like that. Freedom. Go back. My freedom, my freedom, oh, my freedom, yeah, my freedom, yeah.
まばゆい光降り注ぐ永遠のような切な僕を照らす二人だけの秘密この星空の下は今走り出した Stop, feel so high
Okay.
迷いの願いホープ眠る声
Oh yeah. Oh. E. Oh. Naru. Yeah. I like this beat. I'm living for this beat. My freedom, my freedom, oh, my freedom, yeah, my, oh. My freedom, yeah. Hey, come on, floor performance. Hey, shut up. Freedom, my freedom, ah, my freedom, yeah. Freedom, my freedom, yeah. Good job, JO1. Good job. You guys never disappoint. I also believe this group is also recently new and they never disappoint. I love this song. I really do like this song. Even though I do say that I love all of these group songs, I really do, because I really do listen to JO1. I really listen to their songs and stuff. This was really nice. This was everything I expected. How they flow with the dancing, with the music, giving us hand performance, body, face, look, and full performance. Vogue. But thanks to the person who recommended me react to this. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. And I get to you as soon as possible. As always, who can you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.